Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to help you increase your myEcon sales or increase your myEcon commissions. Now, we all know that there are three levels to join inside of myEcon. You have the $100 level, the $40 level, and the $20 level. Now, a lot of the times I'll have people reach out to me. They'll either drop it into a text message or they reach out on a social post, whether it be on Facebook or here on YouTube, and they ask me, hey, and this is a very common question that you've probably seen if you're in myEcon or maybe thinking about getting in myEcon. And this is how, for me, if you look right here, you'll see that I get sales literally every single day, sometimes multiple sales per day. And most of the sales that I get, those people come in at the $100 level. Now, how am I able to do that? Well, it's really simple. The value that we offer on our team and the value that you get at the higher levels is absolutely insane. If you want to see that, link in the description down below. I'll take you over to my free tutorial where I walk you through how we give over $10,000 in free value just for people getting started on our team. And that alone right there is great. But I'm going to let you know about a very specific phrase or question that I like to give people when they ask me this in regards to myEcon and specifically the myEcon compensation plan. A common question I get is, can I come in at the $20 level and still earn $100 sales? Can I still get those bigger commissions? And the answer to that technically is yes. But the answer to that in reality is no. You will most likely not come in at the $20 level and make $100 sales. And I'm going to tell you how to handle this objection and how I have most people coming in at the $100 level. And it all comes down to one very simple thing. And it's literally just the law of attraction. We, as human beings, we get what we are, not what we want. We all want to be millionaires. We all want to be rich. We all want to have a lavish lifestyle. We all want specific things, but it doesn't mean we're going to get it. We literally get what we are, not what we want. So I always reply, anytime someone asks me that question, I reply with one specific answer. If you want to get $100 sales, be a $100 person. It's as simple as that. Don't be a $20 person and hope and wish for $100 sales, because it most likely won't happen. Because if you are a $20 person, you are not going to attract a $100 person. Again, it's just the law of attraction. So if you want to increase your myEcon sales and you want to start attracting people to come in at the higher level and join you in myEcon and make you the higher ticket commissions, be a $100 person. Be at the EBM level, the Elite Business Membership. Be at that level. Don't be at the lower level and wish and hope for higher ticket sales, because it most likely will not happen. It is what we call lottery ticket mentality. It's the same reason why people go into a package store and they buy lottery tickets. You can buy $1 tickets, $2 tickets, $5 tickets, $10 tickets, $100 tickets. What do most people do? They're going to buy the lower ticket. They're going to buy the $1 or $2 or $5 ticket and hope to win the biggest amount. It's lottery ticket mentality, where if you want to have higher ticket sales, my friend, be a higher ticket person. I hope that makes sense. And that, for me, is why I land a lot of the $100 memberships, or really the $100 entry point, which is the $59 per month membership inside of myEcon. The majority of members that I get come in at that higher level for the reason that they also want the higher ticket sales, and they know that the value that they get when they join me at that higher level. If you want to see that for yourself, link in the description down below. You can go check out my own personal join link, and you can see all of the additional value that you get coming in at the higher level. So when you have a great offer, when you have irresistible value, and also when you spell it out to people that, you need to be a higher ticket person if you want higher ticket sales. When most people understand that, they choose the higher level. Hope this video was helpful for you, my friend. Hope you are serious about getting started and crushing it with myEcon. as we head into 2025, it is going to absolutely explode with the momentum that we have on our team right now. And of course, if you want to see my full overview, that link is in the description down below. We are about to go global, and I have more information on that also down below for the global expansion. So if you want to get on my first movers list, you could do that as well. And it's about to be a very, very exciting 2025. Can't wait to see you there.